Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sia. If this is your first time being here, welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. So as you guys can see, your girl is feeling herself, and that is due to none other than this crochet style, period. Am I the only one who's ever gotten their hair done and you immediately start feeling yourself? It just transforms a girl's identity. It just makes you glow. It gives you this new confidence about yourself. You just feel absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna be giving you guys all of the information that you need to know about this hair. I'm also gonna be showing you a little bit of how I installed the hair, the easy process of crochet if you've never done it before or if you have done it before. Everything about this hair, the length, the style, the color, everything about this hair will be dropped in the comment section below. So this is the Nasio handmade hair. This is the card that came with the bundles of hair. I did not expect to love it as much as I do because I have never really tried long goddess, braids like this before, but I'm actually in awe. So if you guys want to see the process and how I installed the hair and everything else like that, then stay tuned. So opening up the pack, it does come with a crochet stick. I mean, I have like a few of these already, but one more won't hurt. So there are 8 individually packs of the goddess braids that come in the entire package. I'm not really sure how many individual braids are in the pack, but I will let you know in a second. I do like how they're organized and individually wrapped because that's gonna make it easier for me to place my hair when it's time. So as you can see, my hair has already been braided. I have, let me see, 2, 4, 6. I have 6 braids in the front, and then they kind of intertwine in the middle. And then I have it braided back. And then I have this line here. I braided one separately here because my hair in the back is really short, so I just wanted to make sure that I grabbed as much hair in the back as possible. But this is the braided pattern. There is absolutely no need for perfection because it's going to be covered up anyway, so yes. I will note that I did use some braiding hair from some extra hair I had laying around to kind of make sure that my braids were sturdy. So opening up the package, this is how it looks. Originally, it's goddess for real. There are curls throughout each of the braids, which I think are so cute. I did something like this before, guys, but I did like a bob and I installed the curly hair myself. And if you haven't seen that video, you should definitely go check it out. I'm just saying. So there are 16 individual crochet braids in this pack, and I think I'm gonna end up using everything in this pack. I mean, hopefully, because I do like a full look, but not too full. Each braid is already pre-looped, as you can see, like so. So I will say that the loops are kind of small, so you do kind of have to play with it and pull it out. But I'm just gonna make the best of the situation, and we're gonna get started. All right, guys, so this is what the first bundle looked like. I got most of the back, just like so. So I'm trying to just kind of stagger them. And pretty much I'm not putting it in like any particular order. I'm just trying to like stagger them as much as I can because I want to just set my base, and then if I have any leftover hair, I'm gonna go back in and fill in the places that need to be filled. What I will say about this crochet braid is, just like I noted earlier, the holes are so tiny. So I find myself having to, like, as you can see, I have the crochet stick in the hole here, and it's just so hard to pull it apart. And then when it's time to put the bottom through the loop, it's crazy. So just keep that in mind if you do decide to purchase this hair, but it's really annoying. But I am loving how these look. As you guys can see, the curls are so pretty, and I can't wait till it's done and you guys get to see the final look, and I can't wait till it's styled. So I will be back when bundle number 2 is complete. Hold that thought. All right, guys, so I have 4 packs left, and as you can see, most of my hair is complete. So you guys, I did find an easier way to install this crochet because like I said earlier, it was like really hard to pull apart the little crochet hole, and like my fingers were starting to hurt and everything. But I just started to like unravel it from, it's just hard to describe, but just see what I'm doing. So I basically, that's the little hole, barely, okay, and then I just kind of like pull it apart and unravel it from the second row. So I'm pulling it apart at the top and then unravel it from the second row and kind of just like pull that twist over. I don't know how to describe what I did, but either way I did it, and then the hole becomes bigger, and now it's a bigger hole, and now I can put my finger through it and it makes it easier for the entire braid to pass through. So I just wanted to like drop that little gem in there. I honestly don't even think I'm gonna use all 4 bundles because like I said, it's already looking full. Like, look at the back. This is 3 bundles in my head. Now, mind you, like I said, normally I do like, you know, my hair to look super full, but now that I'm doing the hair, I'm realizing that I don't want it to be like super heavy on my hair, so I'm just kind of putting in the braids in like the areas that matter, as you can see. And when you look in the back, you can't even tell that it's missing some pieces. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job. But yeah guys, so once I am down to my final pack, I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you guys like how I do my fronts, and then we're gonna take it from there. Whew. All right. So your girl's back, and as you can see, this look fits me well once again. So I completed the front on this side, and on this side I just left these 2 right here so you guys can see how I complete the front as promised. So I ended up opening my last pack, which I was trying not to do, but I ended up doing it anyway. I was just gonna stick to, you know, use as less bundles as possible, but it's fine. What I do is, like I said, I open this up, unravel it backwards, whatever, however you guys see what I'm doing. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is put the stick through, make sure it's flat, it's open, attach the braid to the hook, close the latch, pull through, open the latch, grab the bottom half of the braid, close the latch, and pull it through the hole, like so. So once that's secured and tight, it's not going anywhere. So I put it on the first line, then I put the second braid right behind it, and that's it. I don't have to like do all this back here. I mean, you can if you want to, but personally, like, I'm not gonna do all of that. So this is the second one. Like I said, close the latch, pull through, open the latch, put the bottom half in the hook, close that latch, pull it through the hole. Like so. And that's it. So, unless people are gonna look at the very top of your head, you're good. I'm gonna do one, I'm gonna slow it down for those that still don't know about crocheting crochet braids. My crochet stick, this latch right here should be closed. I'm gonna flatten it. If you put it like this through the braid, for me it hurts, so I like to flatten it. Put it through the braid. Open that hook, that latch that was once closed, you're gonna open it up. You're gonna attach the hole to the hook, like so, and you're gonna close the latch, like that. See that? Then you're gonna pull through, and then when you push the hook forward, the latch is gonna open, like so, right there. I'm gonna attach this crochet braid that I didn't let go of it, I was holding it the whole time. Attach it to that hook, and then close the latch, and then pull it through that hole. And then take my other hand, pull through, and secure. And that's how that's done. By the way, I'm also a lefty, so I work with my predominant hand, but obviously if you're a righty, you would have the crochet stick in your right hand. so now that that is out the way, some pros and some cons. So honestly, the only real con, let's start with cons first. So the only real con that I do have is that it does tangle, like it's already tangling, and like the curls are in place and everything, but it tangles. And it's minimal shedding, it's not that much, but it definitely will tangle. So yeah, that's the only con I have. It doesn't have any kind of an odor, it doesn't have a smell whatsoever. Yeah, it doesn't have any kind of, I don't smell anything at all, so it doesn't have any kind of smell. Another con I will say is when I was installing the hair, as you guys saw, it was hard for me to get, you know, the crochet stick through the hole, and then I eventually had to find like a loophole, like somehow, and then I was able to like stretch the hole through and then get the crochet stick in. That sounds so okay. But yeah, so I shouldn't have to go through all of that. Like I didn't really like that. I like the crochet braids that, you know, they come with the loop, and the loop is very soft, and it's just easy to open and get it done. Cause yeah, my fingers were hurting. Like those were cons for me. Pros, obviously, as you can see, it's so pretty, it's nice. The like I said, the shedding is minimal. The curls stay in place, there's no smell, they are nice and soft, and it looks great. It's easy to do. I honestly did not even use all the packs. I only, yeah, I have like a whole pack and a half left. So, and that was because I went for this look. So maybe if you have maybe a bigger head or smaller head than I do, or if you don't want it to be as full as I have mine, then maybe you'll use like less packs. But yeah, so those were some pros. I honestly do love the hair. Like overall, despite how it was to like install the hair, I love the after effect. The hair is absolutely beautiful. So if you have tried Goddess Locks before, drop your experience in the comment section below. How you maintained it, how long you kept it in, what were some methods that you used to install the hair, all that good fun stuff. Drop it in the comment section below. And guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching another video of mine. If you guys have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, join the family. You know, we're Supremers on this side. Like, comment, share, turn on your post notifications so you're MVP to all of my videos. Make sure you guys show this video some love. Continue to like this video. Share it with everybody, you guys. I appreciate so much of the love and support that I've been getting, you guys. I thank you so much for everything and everyone. I love all of you guys so much. My true supporters, thank you guys so much. And you guys, we're gonna continue to be consistent. So you guys are definitely gonna see more of me, and I look forward to seeing more of you. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.